जा रहा है, मुझे सिखा के जाए यार एक दूसरे।
I hope you like this little
Beautiful
gift that we had for you. And sir, you know, since you're here and you know this is a thriller and you know a lot of dialogue, sir, we need to hear a dialogue from the film, sir. Dialogue तो बनता है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं?
बाज चूजे पे झपटा उठा ले गया। कहानी सच्ची लगती है लेकिन अच्छी नहीं लगती। चूजे ने पलटवार किया, कहानी सच्ची नहीं लगती लेकिन खुदा कसम बड़ी अच्छी लगती है।
Goosebumps, goosebumps. Anyway, so we have a few contest winners. Can I have the names, please? Can I have the names? Yeah? Can I have the names, please? Quickly. Alright, so we had a small little competition on Facebook and a lot of entries came in and we've got 3 winners who I'd like to call on stage. Can we have them, please? Can I have Janvi Sharma, Jinal Sangvi and Devika Shirpurkar on stage, please? Aye, Jaldi, please give them a huge round of applause.
What was the contest?
Sir, you'll have to ask them. I just came today morning. Anyway, aye. Please. They're your very big fans, sir. Yes. Yes.
So what was the contest?
Had to write something about Desh So Raha Hai. So I wrote that the three most deadliest words in the world are war has begun. But in India, it's a girl. So,
I wrote about women empowerment and how women need to be educated to rise this nation.
I wrote, he said, a few of yours came to our country, ravaged it, I cannot marry a Muslim. She said, few of yours entered my sister, ravaged it, I cannot marry a man. Wake up, India.
So, I think you guys want to take your pictures. I think you should go ahead right now. Please give them a huge round of applause. What beautiful thoughts. Fantastic. Yeah. No, before you go. So, I'd like, sir, if you could please give them out these t-shirts, unveil the t-shirt and give them, you know, it will be very nice. The Madari t-shirt for you guys. क्या बात है. Once again, huge round of applause, everybody. Fantastic. Come on. All right. If you have any more questions, I think now would be the right time. And yeah, there we have a question.
आपने recently एक सुनने में आया था कि Facebook या you went live somewhere shirtless for the promotion of this movie.
शर्टलेस की जाने की जरूरत नहीं मुझे। मेरे पास बहुत सारी चीजें और दिखाने की। जिस दिन कुछ नहीं बचेगा उस दिन शर्ट खोल के दिखाना शुरू करूँगा।
Irfan, you're obviously known from the industry. You're known someone who always expresses his opinion on topics, various topics. तो मुझे सिर्फ पूछना है, recently सलमान का जो rape statement का controversy हुआ था।
सलमान का rape हुआ?
Rape statement. He passed a rape statement.
तो आके चला गया, picture भी आ गई।
Yeah, I know. I think you can keep it related to the film. It would be better.
I just want to ask one thing. Many from the Bollywood industry didn't wish to comment on that because they felt that they were under some pressure because it was Salman Khan. So I just want to know कि did you receive any such like?
आपको सबको पता है इंडस्ट्री छुपी हुई थोड़ी है। इंडस्ट्री जैसी है सब न्यूज़ तो आती रहती है। अभी पायरेसी का इतना बड़ा इशू है, इसी पे साथ में नहीं आ रहा है। मतलब एक तो आप गवर्नमेंट से डिमांड कर सकते हैं कि हमें पता चलना चाहिए कहाँ से पायरेसी हुई। दिस इज देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। वी आर पेइंग 1000 crore टैक्स, 4000 crore टैक्स एवरी ईयर, सो इज देयर रिस्पॉन्स, इज देयर अकाउंटेबिलिटी। बट दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि इस इंडस्ट्री को साथ में आना चाहिए, बट इसी में भी नहीं है कि यार मेरी पिक्चर तो निकल गई ना, बाकी तुम जाओ भाड़ में। तो वो है अपना एटीट्यूड, वो है तो है, क्या करें।
बॉलीवुड सो रहा है क्या वैसे कैसे?
अभी देश ही तो रहा है तो बॉलीवुड का।
Yes, ma'am.
इरफान, आपको भी डर लग रहा है कि कहीं
Ma'am,
आपकी भी पिक्चर
one second,
leak
one
हो
second.
जाए?
Ma'am.
See, it doesn't boil down to industry responsibility. It is everybody's responsibility to themselves. Either are you getting biased? Are you getting opinionated through media? That's your responsibility. You have to find facts. You have to understand what is the strength of India. Hindustan की खूबसूरती क्या है? You have to understand. And let not TV and media color your opinion. You have to understand. We are, you know, मेरा भी कुछ controversy हो गया था. And मैंने simple सी बात कही थी कि we lose sometimes the purpose of doing some ritual, and we blindly do it, so it distorts. You know, कई festivals ऐसे हैं जिनका मकसद कुछ और था और आज कुछ और बन गया है. So this is what we are. That's how we are sleeping. We are not really understanding.
Yes.
We are not aware. We are being led by whatever is happening around us. Either consumerism आप पे फेंक दिया. Now everybody has a desire कि मेरे पास ये हो, मेरे पास ये हो, मेरे पास ये हो, और आपके अंदर desire जगा दिया है. You are not control of your desires. We are not in control of our desires. मीडिया ने आपको एक ओपिनियन बोली, आपको लगा कि हाँ यार ये ठीक है, मुझे बिलोंग करना चाहिए इस ग्रुप से, then you will blindly start following that group, and you will not really be critical about that. So it's your own self. You are not responsible. You are sleeping on your own self, and that's the greatest injustice you can do to yourself. You are a live human being. You have all the senses. It's the only species the God has given the faculty of understanding, analysis, thinking, subconscious. और किसी उसमें नहीं है. एक जो जानवर होता है उसको अगर बचपन में आपने कंडीशन कर दिया कि वो डरेगा तो वो मरते दम तक डरता रहेगा वो एक डंडे से. इंसान में नहीं. इंसान has the power to overcome that, to overlook that, and that's what we are not doing.
Yes, we'll take one last question. We'll take one last question from the girl right there. Yeah.
Sir, do you miss theatre?
I do miss. तब एक्चुअली मैं जब पीछे से घुस रहा था मुझे exactly मुझे लगा NSD के दिन याद आ गए थे. And I do miss, but मुझे ना तो ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट मिली है जिसको कि मैं 1 महीना 2 महीना करूं और बोर ना हूं, या मुझे कुछ सर्कमस्टेंसेस बने नहीं है, बट मैं करूंगा जरूर थिएटर, जल्दी करूंगा आपके लिए.
सर,
All right. I think we're done with our round of questioning. Or you want? Okay.
अब तक आपका सबसे डिफिकल्ट रोल कौन सा रहा है?
अभी तो यही लग रहा है कि आप लोग आ जाएं, देख लें, फिर उसके बाद.
All right. So we're very, very grateful that you've come here. Please give him a huge round of applause. What a fantastic. And I think, and this is a small token of our gratitude. I request Nupur ma'am to please come and felicitate Irfan Khan for this lovely gesture. Yes, can we have Nupur ma'am also? Please give her a huge round of applause also. Diksha ma'am. Okay, Diksha ma'am, yes.
I think they were trying to change the strategy and they thought that this film has to come out. वो कुछ होते होंगे reasons, but they also believed in the film, but they didn't want to spend the money on publicity of the film, and because they had one sister concern which was called Spot Boy, and that was not doing well. So this film fell in that category, and that's how उन्होंने शायद मजबूरी में क्या इसको जरा जो है हमें सफाई करनी है घर की, इसको निकालो, तो उन्होंने उसको बाहर किया विदाउट पब्लिसिटी. एक बैनर उन्होंने लगाया था लोखंडवाला में. But that is the time I understood what is the power of word of mouth. And yeah.
In fact, I believe Hustle was the major turnover, and I still remember one scene in Hustle जिसमें आप जब वो किडनैप करके लेके आते हैं और आप पूछते हैं कि कैसे छेड़ा था, तो वो एक लड़का बोलता है भैया जी ला कर रहे हैं, राइट. वो एक सीन है जो मुझे अभी भुलाए नहीं भूलता है. दैट वाज आई थिंक वन मेजर टर्न अराउंड इन हिज करियर, व्हिच आई बिलीव पर्सनली. यू मे थिंक डिफरेंटली, बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग टू मिठी बाई एंड पापराजी. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर मूवी एंड ऑल योर.
I'd like to thank Yash also from Saya Group. Please, can we have Yash also? Please give him a huge round of applause also. Yes. Thank you so much. And he's been telling me, you know, please announce, please announce, please announce. I think he's done a fantastic job. He's the guy from Saya Group, so he's the guy responsible for all of this. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
A young entrepreneur, you know, so that's the thing. Anyway, so I think one last thing is left to do, sir.
What is the Saya?
You want to say something? Okay, so basically, Saya Group is. You want to go for it? It's your company, it's not mine.
Saya Group is basically an artist, celebrity, and event management company, and we've associated with Paparazzi for this promotional event for Madari, since we are all great fans of yours, sir, and we just wanted to have an event with you. So thank you so much for coming. It really means a lot, and yeah, thank you so much.
All the best. God bless.
Sir, एक